Hello, I'm South Florida Bankruptcy Attorney Matthew Mazur, and today I'd like to discuss the topic of redemption. Whether it is better to redeem your car or reaffirm your car to Chapter 7 bankruptcy. That is a very case-specific situation. Redemption of your car in a bankruptcy may be a better option to keep your car than reaffirming it with your existing lender. Under the bankruptcy code, you have the right to redeem your car for its current market value and pay off your existing creditor that amount and keep your car. In order to do this, you and your bankruptcy attorney will have to do some work. You will probably incur additional charges for this work that's being done, but in the right situations, this option allows you to keep your car and pay less per month than you currently are. The decision whether to redeem your car or reaffirm it is one that requires some analysis and some discussions between you and your bankruptcy attorney. This video is not legal advice. It is just a general educational discussion about the process of redemption in a bankruptcy case. If you're looking at this video and you are currently represented by another attorney, you need to talk to that attorney about your specific situation and whether or not redeeming your car makes sense in your case. So if you're thinking about redeeming your car, what are the process? What's the steps in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy to do this? The first step is you need to determine how much is your car worth. What's the current market value? To do this, you can use Kelley Blue Book online or the National Dealer Association's website, and you can use one of their automated tools. Another option is to get a professional auto appraiser to come in and provide you a verified third-party valuation of the car. Step 2 is then to take that valuation and look at it in comparison to the amount that the current lender on your car says you owe them on the vehicle. If there's a significant difference between the two, it may be a very good option to seek redemption so that you can lower your monthly payments. You're going to need to talk to your bankruptcy attorney and get their advice about the feasibility of redemption for your car in this situation. The next step would be having your bankruptcy attorney start negotiations with the original lender in an attempt to come to an agreement on the current market value of your car. In this scenario, it works out much better for everyone involved if an agreement can be reached before the motion is filed. In cases where the agreement can't be made and the motion is filed, there could very well be an adversarial approach taken by the current lender to the motion to redeem, and ultimately the bankruptcy judge is going to have to make the determination of value. Once you know the value of your vehicle, you will then need to seek financing to fund the redemption of that vehicle in your bankruptcy. I know it sounds crazy, but there actually are lenders who will provide you a loan to use the redemption process to buy your car. Why are they willing to do that? Because this loan won't be subject to your bankruptcy discharge. Once you've got the loan, once you've got the market value locked down, and you file the motion, it will be reviewed by your bankruptcy court judge and either entered into as granted or denied. If the bankruptcy court enters an order granting your redemption motion, then that will allow your new lender to pay off your old lender, and you will keep your car and, in the right scenario, pay far less than what you were paying with the old lender. And with regard to the financing of this redemption loan, in some cases you may even be able to finance the attorney's fees involved in negotiating and filing the motions to redeem the car in your bankruptcy case. Again, that is something you're going to want to talk to your bankruptcy attorney about, and make sure that you fully understand what it's going to cost to redeem the car, and take those costs into account when you're evaluating whether or not it makes sense to redeem the car or reaffirm the car with your original lender. Again, very important to understand. In a scenario where you use a redemption loan to retain your vehicle, that redemption loan is a new loan outside of your bankruptcy. It happened after you filed for bankruptcy, so it is not covered under your discharge. If you end up defaulting on this redemption loan, they will repossess your car, and more likely than not, they will seek a deficiency judgment against you. By the same token, if you reaffirm your car, you are also going to be subject to those same two penalties in the event that you default on that reaffirmed loan. I hope this video has been helpful. I hope it's helped you better understand the redemption process and the option you may have in your Chapter 7 bankruptcy to keep your vehicle. Again, you need to talk to your attorney in your case to see if this makes sense for you. If you like this video and found it informative, please give us a like and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you again when we put up our next video and provide additional information on bankruptcy. Have a great day.